What is it?
I don't know.
Well, you'll have to read it. It says one dishwashing chain. Quadrified dish washing tub in
Another bowl for play.
Another bowl for play. Yes. So you hit the ball.
Is that like golf?
What does it do? Springs back. Springs it back.
Yes.
Hang on, Tom.
Tom.
Oh, stickers.
Stickers.
Are they stickers?
It actually has it inside the car now.
They're magnetic, are they?
Yeah.
So you can stick them on things.
Stick all your colourings on the fridge, mate.
Sorry?
Stick your colouring on the fridge.
Nah. Stick your tongue in the car.
What is that? What for?
So you can read late at night and get into trouble. And then Mom can take it away and use it for herself. Yay!
Coloring.
Try this.